Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Word and go to File, Account to view activation and account details. Look for the product name and activation status on that screen. Confirm whether your copy is an Office 365 subscription or a Perpetual Office 2019 license. Note the account email shown for the licensed product and the last 5 characters of the product key. If the status says unlicensed, sign out of any other Office installations using that Microsoft account. This check identifies whether you need reactivation, key entry, or account. Sign out of Word and then sign back into the Microsoft account used to buy Office. This forces a license refresh from Microsoft servers and often resolves activation errors. If signing in fails, open Control Panel, Programs and Features and choose Office, then Repair, and pick Online Repair. Online Repair reinstalls missing activation files while keeping your documents intact. If prompted, re-enter the full 25-character product, key you purchased, or found in your account confirmation email. Visit Account, Microsoft.com and sign in to find your digital license under Services and Subscriptions. If you purchased a physical box or retail key, use the receipt or order number to locate the 25-character product key. For keys lost or mismatched, contact Microsoft support and provide your purchase details and the device ID shown in Word activation. Support can transfer licenses, reset activations, or validate receipts for replacement keys. Keep a screenshot of your license page and a copy of your receipt for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.